Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will show you how you can get 21 paid Windows tools absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for this. So to get this, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So those are all the premium subscriptions and this is giveaway purpose. So firstly go to your browser and in the search bar copy the link. I will provide this link in the video description. Paste the link here. So you will come into this site. Here you can see this 21 tools giveaway. So here you can see this OMI backup or home, any viewer slow. You don't have to pay anything, those are totally free. So here you can see the VoiceCare 365 Pro, which is $40, Glare Utilities Pro, which is $40, and the most effective software is iObit Uninstaller B16, which is $20, but you are getting this absolutely free of cost. So I will show you how you can get all the software and install it. And here you can see PC utilities, AnyViewer, Partition Assistant Pro, OMI Cloner Pro. This is totally free. So those are for data security, cyber backup, OMI upper backup home, and fast data recovery. So those are for mobile utilities and multimedia tools. Those are softwares are very useful and effective software. So how you can install this software? So to install this, click any of those, get it now. So you can see those softwares are downloading. So downloaded successfully. So double click on this and click on this and extract this in desktop. So go to desktop installer and here you can see this. So firstly install the software. So click on install. So the software is installing. So the software has almost installing, 94% done. Click on accept and install. So here they are saying that subscribe and enjoy premium only features of number one driver updater. So click on no thanks and click on finish. So as you can see this software has been successfully installed and here is showing it is free version. So how you can activate it and get the pro version. So to activate this, so here you can see this readme file. So click on this and click on enter code and paste the code here. Click on register now. So you can see that this software has activated successfully. Now you can use this software pro version. So this is showing now pro version. So you can use all of those course softwares absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money for this. So enjoy the full premium features absolutely free. So thank you so much for your time.